Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel, that is the FK Designs. In our previous video, we covered the basics of mechanical design with different design domains and the overall walkaway of the design procedure required in every design domain. Today we will cover up the basic skill sets required for being a mechanical design engineer. So the question is, what separates a design engineer from a mechanical engineer? So the answer is there are some skill sets, specialized skill sets which separate a mechanical design engineer from the mechanical engineer. So the very first skill set required for being a mechanical design engineer is a thorough knowledge of our mechanical core subjects. As we have more than 48 subjects in our mechanical field, it is not possible to have the thorough knowledge of all the subjects. So the possible solution is we have to get the thorough knowledge of what is required in our design domain. Let us take an example. If you have to design a product or if you have to design a machine, you must first know the basic principles which are in our core subject, machine design. Then you must know the mechanics and the structural designs to withstand that structure in the conceptual stage. And when the machine is in the building stage, you must know the knowledge of pneumatics and hydraulics to sustain the working of that machine. So it is not possible without the core knowledge. You must have the core knowledge for being a mechanical design engineer. The second skill set required for being a mechanical design engineer is the knowledge of CAD, CAM and CAE. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing, and CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering. The CAD, CAM and CAE can be defined as the computer aided tools for the application of our mechanical engineering knowledge. It is really essential to know these tools according to your working domain. As if you are working in the design field, you have the CAD softwares like SOLIDWORKS, NX, CATIA, Creo, etc. If the manufacturing is your side, then the CAM softwares are for you like NX CAM, Fusion 360, SolidWorks CAM. In CAE, we have the SimScale, Inventor, Hypermesh, ANSYS, etc. etc. We are going to take a separate lecture on the CAD, CAM and CAE, as without these softwares knowledge, there is no design engineer. The third skill set is the new product development and creativity. The new product development itself is a number of different skill sets. The first one comes is the problem solving, as we have to design every product in or machine to solve the existing problems of the user of that machine or that product. The second comes the idea development, as we can say development of an idea to solve the current problem with design is different, and the actual manufacturing of that product makes a great difference. Then being good with mathematics is also a really required skill set. Then comes the creativity. In our technical terms, creativity is like we have to manage our design with the requirements of the clients, or we can say as the customers. We have to technically manage all the requirements with solving the problems of which we are designing. So creativity in our terms is like we have to manage all the requirements of the customer with solving their problems in the required time and in their terms and conditions. The fourth skill set required for being a mechanical design engineer is the thorough knowledge of all the other engineering departments. As we have to maintain a coordination with other departments, we must have the knowledge of other departments. We have to maintain a coordination with the manufacturing department for our product to be finalized. We have to give them our designs, we have to give them our draftings and maintain our coordination with them for the finalized product. We have to maintain our coordination with the quality department to maintain our quality standards. We also have to make our coordination with the finance department so as to find the cost estimation of our product. We have to maximize the maximum profits and the minimum investments in our product. So, and the last comes the marketing department. We have to lead them for the better marketing strategies, as we know much more about our products. So we have to maintain the relation with all the different engineering departments. The fifth skill set required for being a mechanical design engineer is the communication and the coordination. Teamwork is what without you can't be a mechanical design engineer. In design field, any of the design is never a single person work. Every design complies with a teamwork. We have to keep all the coordination with all the team members of our team. Even we have to make the coordinations with the other departments like production, quality, finance, and even marketing departments, as we have discussed in the previous topic. Then comes the communication skills. We have to develop a product for a client. Then we have to explain the complex machines or devices to people who are not familiar with our technical field. So to convey our ideas clearly and effectively, we need a strong communication skill. So these were the skill sets every mechanical engineer need to master for being a successful design engineer. Please comment below if you have any of queries related to the content or related to any of the topic regarding to the mechanical design. Please give us a like if you find this content a bit useful. Please share and subscribe for the further design concepts and the design tutorials on the AutoCAD, SolidWorks and the further design softwares. Thank you for being with me till the end.